winds. Stay weather aware and have a way to receive warnings. Weather trivia: supercell thunderstorms produce the most violent tornadoes. Storm Prediction Center has issued a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow, Sunday, June 14th. As of now, a severe thunderstorm warning is now active for Humphreys, Perry in Tennessee until about 6:30 p.m. This storm brings the threat of large hail and damaging winds around 60 miles per hour. This storm is moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Get inside now. Move away from windows and bring in any outdoor items.